Hey everyone, welcome back to Lantu Ebike channel. Today, we are thrilled to introduce to you the latest new model, the step-over electric bike, with a powerful 750 watts hub motor, and a 48 volt 15 ampere battery. So let's dive into the features and performance of this amazing machine. The 750 watts hub motor is the heart of this electric bike, and it comes with a range of impressive features. First of all, it is incredibly powerful, allowing you to ride up steep hills and navigate rough terrain with ease. Additionally, the hub motor is extremely quiet and efficient, providing a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. Finally, the 750 watts hub motor is designed to be durable and long-lasting, ensuring that you can enjoy your electric bike for years to come. The 48 volt 15 ampere battery is another standout feature of this electric bike. It provides a high level of power and endurance, allowing you to ride for long distances without worrying about running out of charge. The vintage color design of this electric bike is one of its most unique and eye-catching features. The vintage color scheme is typically a combination of muted colors, such as cream, brown, black, and silver, which gives the bike a classic and timeless look. So if you are interested in this bike, just check some options on our website and let us know.